Good morning, gentlemen. I hope you and
Your wonderful families are well. Another day on the road.
be safe, be courteous, and be professional. And remember, we're not moving furniture, we're moving people.
Here with the sun on our backs, it's all we need. Together with hearts intertwined, there's nothing quite like it.
Nice City Removalist, Sarah speaking.
There's love enough to go around. Any space, breathe it in and slowly breathe it out. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust. There's a place just for us here in the gold dust.